Are you ready? Hey, today, this is a nature event. This is a nature walk. So just follow us in nature. And sorry, I think we might have missed the art, but it's fine. Just look around. Make this rock that too.
Is this a special kind of rock?
Yes, this is a termite mound.
Looks like one, but I think it's just a rock.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, what's up here? What's that over there?
Yeah, I think that might be a very skinny tree.
Oh, over there, against that tree over there.
Oh, but look over there. Guess what that is? Is that something that the Aboriginals made? Maybe. I think it is. But trust me, I have no idea what those things are.
What's that sign say?
It says
Rehabilitation area.
Rehabilitation area. Please respect.
They're growing some new plants there, Lewis.
I know that.
Oh, yeah.
Just look at the nature. But look at this. Is there something wrong with that tree?
Yeah.
Some people might have been drawing on it with pulp sticks or sticks or anything.
It's a bit rude.
Saying names and disrespecting planets.
Yeah.
Look, there's even more over there.
Rude.
Yeah.
Alright, let's wrap up the video. Say like and subscribe. Yeah, finish.
We're nearly done. Over there. There's lots of stuff. Over there's lots of stuff. And yeah, just in the middle. I think there's more stuff in here. You might think that's a path, but it's not a path. And can you hear those birds? I think you can.
Using all your senses, aren't you? Nope, all done.
Okay, so I think this nature walk is nearly over. So maybe there's just a couple stuff there, a couple stuff there. It's so long, but maybe you could go on one and see the rest. Bye.